In this video, we're going to take a look at a new add-on called Multiple Pop-Ups 2.0. Let's go take a look at that. So if I go to my add-ons and then I go to search by keyword, you can look up multiple pop-ups. And we have two. We have multiple pop-ups. Keep in mind this only works with ClickFunnels 1.0 and multiple pop-ups 2.0. So this is the one we're going to use for this video, and only use this one if you're using ClickFunnels 2.0 and use this one for 1.0. So let's click on that. Just take a quick look at it. And this is one that I've actually, this is not one that I've already created. So while we're here, let's actually do that and just make sure that we've created this. So all you're going to do is give it a name. Make sure you can create this one time and use it for any page where you plan on using multiple pop-ups. Okay, so this will be the second one that I've created, just to make sure that it works. All right, so we're going to create the add-on just like that. There's no configuration. There's nothing you really need to do. So what I'm going to do is just copy that script out. Copy, copy, copy. You can click the blue button there. And then we're done in CF Pro Tools. The rest of the configuration is done on Page. So I'm going to take you guys over there. Actually, one more thing I want you guys to make sure of is this one got me earlier, because I am creating this page in a brand new account, and that is the domain. So make sure that you're adding your domain, otherwise the add-on will not work. So occasionally that one gets a couple of you guys that even got me, and I had to add in a new domain to make sure that that was functioning the way that we expected to. All right, so make sure to do that. Now, here's what we're going to do. So we have a normal pop-up. So if you go to your pop-up, show the pop-up, we have a pop-up. This is just going to link to a completely different funnel, which is fine. But what we want to do is, for people that want to go through the order process, we also want to have an order pop-up. So we don't want them to have to click through and go to a completely different page. We want to keep them on the same page. So what we're going to do is a couple different things. Down at the bottom of the page, what we're going to do is create a whole new section. Now I've already created this section just for the sake of timeliness here. So all I have to do is go find it. What I'm going to do is create a new element and instead create a one column row, and then you can add your elements. We're going to add in a checkout, okay, just to keep things simple, but you can add more stuff to it. And right now that's what we have. It's just to keep that simplistic. We're going to roll with this, and you would of course add in your products and style this however it is that you want. But the idea is that we have a section, and then you have stuff in that section. Whatever's in this section will now become your pop-up. So we want this order page or order section to be in there. So what we're going to do is go to the section, go to the section settings, go to the advanced tab over here, then go to the logic tab. And what we want to do is add a custom attribute that says CFPT -pop-up equals 1. So the way that would look in here would be, you need to add a custom attribute, and it would look like CFPT -pop-up, and then the value would equals 2 or 3 or 1. So you can have more than one pop-up on the page. You just need more sections. So for this one, for this example, we're going to have the exit pop, and then we're going to have this one, which a button will activate this. So when somebody says add to cart or purchase now or add to cart, whatever it is it says, that button will have a custom action link, and I'll show you in a second how to set that up. Okay, but what it's going to do is open up the corresponding section that we've created. So now I've already created this, but that's what it's going to look like, and it'll say CFPT -pop-up equals 1. Okay, once you've done that, you can hide this. So I'm going to come in here, click and hide on all devices. So now you can't see it. Okay, we're going to click the save button just to stay up with the saves. And then there's buttons. That's the next piece of this puzzle. We want to go to the buttons, and we want to say button action. We want to set that to go to custom action link. Okay, and then we want the custom action link to be hashtag CFPT -pop-up -1, or whatever the corresponding section is that you want to open up as a pop-up. Okay, so CFPT -pop-up -1, you might have 2 pop-ups or 3 pop-ups. So it would be -1, -2, or it could be -3 even. Okay, so that's pretty much it on that. Once you have that set, you just make sure you've hit all of your buttons. Go through your buttons here and then your button up here. I've got one more. We'll just double check that one, make sure that one is, I think I clicked the wrong thing. Make sure you're clicking on the right elements. Custom action link, CFPT-popup-1. Once you've done that, hit save. There is one more step that you're going to want to do, and that's this. You're going to want to come up here and go to your settings, go to your show code. Remember when we started this video, we made we generated the code, the unique code out of CF Pro Tools, and then we created it and copied it to the clipboard. So we're going to need to go into the settings. So you're going to go into your settings, and then you're going to go into your code, and then you're going to go into footer code down here. And then you're going to go somewhere in here, and you're going to, the code that we generated, you're going to want to paste that in. And then that's all you have to do there. And then come back out, of course, save the page again. Styled everything, made your pop-up look the way that it's supposed to look. Then you can go to the preview icon. You can test everything, make sure it works the way that you would imagine. My exit pop works, looks good here. And then you've also got your add to cart. So, oh yeah, I want to add that to cart. Great. There's my pop-up. You can go through, again, you can style this, make sure that it looks the way that you want. You should even be able to put like border and everything. Put a headline, maybe some graphics and stuff in here. Make sure to set up payments.ai and add your products, okay? That's how it works. I hope you guys enjoy this and do great things with this. If you have any questions, please reach out to us in support. It'll be support@cfprotools.com.